If you've ever experienced brake fade, it is one of the most terrifying experiences you can have as a driver. That feeling of, I have no control, I can't slow this rig down, is terrifying. We're all using our four-wheel drives to the extreme. We're towing heavy loads, big caravans, big trailers. We're doing GVM upgrades. We're doing a lot of remote work. We're using our four-wheel drives to their extreme. And one of the systems that really does suffer in that environment is the braking system. Now, Terrain Tamer, knowing that, has spent the last 3 years in R&D developing a specific brake pad they call the Fortified pad. And these pads have been designed to work in exactly that environment where there is multiple extreme braking applications. So they searched the world and they found a brake manufacturer that could develop the specific formulation that they required to meet their brief. They engaged the services of an independent testing laboratory, and they tested these brake pads for over 300 extreme brake applications to find out, did they do what they were meant to do? And the answer was, yes, they do. They work the way Terrain Tamer wants them to work. And that is, in multiple extreme braking applications, these pads will still be working and slowing down your vehicle. Naturally, we need brake pads that work in multiple different environments, whether it be city driving, a wet road, a dry road, a dusty road, whatever it might be, these brake pads still need to work at a superior level. And the answer for the Terrain Tamer Fortified pads is yes, they do. When you first receive the brake pads, you'll notice they've got a red coating on the surface of the pad. Now, this coating is all about resisting green fade. This is a term that refers to the brake fade that happens whilst the brake pads are bedding in, those first few applications. Now, Terrain Tamer wants you to get the best of your brake pads from the get-go. So they apply this coating to totally eliminate that green fade moment. Basically, these pads are ready to go from the moment you install them in your vehicle. So if you know that you drive your four-wheel drives hard, you tow heavy loads, you go and do those extreme events, well, consider the Terrain Tamer Fortified pad. It's going to give you the confidence of being able to drive your vehicle in the way you need to drive it, where you need to drive it, with safety. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails. Terrain Tamer have a 50-year-old promise to deliver quality engineered four-wheel drive parts.